Hey again, everyone. This is Kevin from my Philippine adventure. After I did my first video of what we bought, I replaced the kitchen faucet here. So that one is different. I got the nice faucet up here now. Then the bathroom here, I replaced this one with that one. And then we walk outside here, and there's my new motorcycle. Well, it's not new anymore. I've had it for, 2 weeks now. I replaced this one because this one was very slow at water coming out, so I replaced that. So within 8 minutes, I replaced all of our spigots except for the dirty kitchen. I think for the dirty kitchen, we'll get another one of these. Get one of those for out here, so we have a nice one for out here too. So that's it. That was my job for the day. It took me about 10 minutes to do all that. Wow, I'll tell you, overexertion, working too hard here in the Philippines. She's the one that works hard. She's the one that cooks, cleans, takes care of all my crap, and I do work once in a while. I like to do some cooking, some baking, and like I said, I replaced the faucets today with new ones. So that should keep me out of the doghouse for a couple days. I did something around the house to make myself useful. Otherwise, I just sit around and do nothing, watch TV, and just get in the way. Anyway, that's it for the day. I don't know when I'm going to get these uploaded. We haven't heard from our PLDT internet provider yet, so who knows when they're going to be coming. I have no idea. But anyway, we'll talk to you guys real soon with some more adventures of my Philippine adventure. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and share my videos if you feel like you need to do so. If not, that's okay too. Just continue watching. We'll talk to you guys real soon. Take care. Bring you another adventure tomorrow. Alright, my first project is to put this onto here. That's going to be my project. So, never mind, that ain't going to work.